Today's video, we're after beauty. Oh yes, that's what we're getting, is a beautiful waterfall. I am at Clifty Falls in Madison, Indiana. And today, the reason I'm filming this is, why the hell not? It is some beautiful scenery. Now I'm gonna shoot it all with my G70 and make sure I don't slip on this ice. All right, let's get some beauty, y'all. This is one of Clifty Falls' beautiful waterfall. Oh wow, we're just going to totally pan around a little bit. Try to get some fancy camera angles up in here. Now, there won't be no history about this. Pretty much, this is all done. This limestone was all done by a glacier. Hundreds of thousands, 100,000 years ago. I may be off. Believe it or not, when Angie and I was dating, we actually walked down through that. Yeah. All the way down. Yeah. It was a hell of a hike. If I remember correctly, we're just going to zoom around. If I remember correctly, my shoe busted up down there. Oh, so beautiful, isn't it? Figure I'd do some close-up shots of the falls. Slowly back her out. But yeah, as we was hiking down through there, my whole shoe busted. And I had to carry what was left of my shoe back. And we had a couple miles to hike out of there. Crazy, huh? Oh, I want to get a better shot of that ice sculpture down below. Let me see if I can line it up for a better shot. I'm try to do this justice. It's real hard to see out of the viewfinder because I see the shadow of me and the trees behind me. Oh wow. Camera's gonna get a little wobbly, guys. Sorry about that. Because I'm slipping in the snow. There we go. Magnificent. Oh. And not to mention that creek right up through that way. Yeah, let's just follow the creek on down. Wanna? I wanna. Yeah. Outstanding. Yeah, we've hiked all the trails over here at Clifty Falls, pretty much. That's my GoPro shutting off. Hey, look at that beautiful limestone wall over there if you can see it. I know the sun may be affecting it. Right over there. I don't know how well this shot's doing, so I can't see my viewfinder. I should look through the eyepiece. That's what I should have done. Yeah, let's back her out. That's some beauty right there, isn't it? Holy smokes. Let me show you what I was walking on, y'all. Whoops, sorry about that. You see this right over through here? It's all a sheet of ice. Not safe. I almost bit the dust a couple times. I figured we'd go ahead and get some more beauty around through this way. Yeah, if you're ever in southeastern Indiana, go to Madison. Look up Clifty Falls. It is known for some of the most breathtaking waterfalls here in all of the state of Indiana. This is the start of one of them trails right here. And it just goes all the way down. We're going to do a pan around and I'll talk a little bit more. They also have a tunnel here. But if memory serves me correct, last year they had to close the tunnel down because they had a cave in. I did go through that tunnel. I went through that tunnel with my wife back some years ago. It was fantastic. The only problem with that was that day, it was after a heavy rain, so we had to walk through water dang near up to our kneecaps. But it was still worth every minute of it. Every single minute. Now, one other time we was down here hiking the trails. It was one other time I was hiking the trails, Angie and I. We ran across a big, huge footprint. I jokingly said, Bigfoot! It's a big footprint! Guys, If I could find that footage, I should have showed you by now. Tell me if that doesn't look like something that wouldn't be done by a regular human being. I don't know. Could have been faked. But yeah, it's the only time I ever found any evidence possibly that Bigfoot might exist was that big footprint. And I'm still not believing that was Bigfoot, obviously. Now, as beautiful as this place is, out of all the parks I've been to, out of all the places Angie and I have been, we've been to a lot. As beautiful as this place is, and it's beautiful, I admit to that. It is right up there. Beauty. It's one of my least favorite parks to go to. I have no reason why. And every time we come here, I mention this. And I try to work it out in my head. When I come here, I feel dread. I feel, I don't know, just something comes over me. And I just get very, I don't want to say bad vibes. It's just something about this place I don't care for. But yet the beauty, without doubt, is some of the most breathtaking views you will ever see. I don't know, it's all in my head. And I can never figure out why I don't feel right. I don't really like this. I really don't even have the words. Just right now, bottom line is, whenever we're here at Clifty Falls, I ain't feeling it. That's the bottom line. Even though it's breathtaking, it's beautiful, and I do light up. When I see some of this beauty, I do light up. But the moment we walk away, I ain't feeling it. This hasn't been a long video today. I have no idea how long it is. But something I want to just throw out there, you know. Let's just throw it out there. Beauty's beauty, no matter the length of any video, y'all. Now, will I be coming back here at Clifty Falls? More than likely in the future. But not anytime soon, probably. There's a lot of other places of beauty, a lot of other places of historical value that I'd rather get first. But today, we was in the neighborhood, and Kitt had to go poo. I'm being honest with you, Kitt had to go poo. I said, let's go ahead and head to Clifty Falls. It was another shot I wanted to get here. That's over by a motel here. But I wasn't sure how to get back there, and Angie's like, well, maybe we should come back when the snow's off the ground and maybe be able to get the shot then. It's breathtaking as well. It is a shot I've never been to yet. So, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, please. It does this video and all my videos wonder. It does me justice. Leave your comments down below if you've ever been to Clifty Falls. Let me know how it makes you feel. There's not a damn thing wrong with this park. It's one of the finest parks Indiana has. It's just me, I don't feel it. Although the waterfalls and some of the limestone, it's just downright beautiful. Some of the prettiest I've ever seen. I've seen just about them all. Well, here in Indiana anyway. There's so few I haven't, obviously. Alright guys, till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure.